Imagine creating a piece of jewelry so unique it tells a story only you can narrate. Welcome to the captivating world of handcrafted jewelry. This isn't just about stringing together pretty beads or bending shiny metal. No, it's about crafting a narrative, breathing life into raw materials, and transforming them into something that's not just beautiful, but also deeply personal. Handcrafted jewelry holds an allure that's hard to resist. Each piece is a work of art, a testament to the maker's creativity and skill. But it's more than that. It's a tangible reflection of the individuality that each of us possesses. When you create your own jewelry, you're not just making a pretty accessory. You're crafting an extension of yourself, a piece that tells your story in a way no mass-produced item ever could. Creating your own jewelry allows you to play, to experiment, and to express yourself. You become the architect of your own designs, choosing each element with care, considering how they come together to form a cohesive whole. It's a dance of colors and textures, shapes and forms, all coming together under your guiding hand. And the beauty of it is, there are no rules. Want to mix metals? Go for it. Fancy combining vintage beads with modern findings? Why not? The only limit is your imagination. This freedom, this ability to make something entirely your own, is what makes handcrafted jewelry so enticing. But it's not just about the end product. The process itself is part of the allure, the feel of the materials in your hands, the satisfaction of seeing your vision come to life, the thrill of wearing something you've created from scratch. These are experiences that go beyond mere crafting. They're a journey of discovery, a celebration of creativity, a testament to the power of the human spirit. Ready to embark on this exciting journey? Grab your tools and let's dive into the world of jewelry making. Every artist needs their canvas and brushes. For us, it's the tools and materials that bring our ideas to life. The world of jewelry making is a treasure trove of tools, each with a unique purpose and an integral role in crafting a piece of jewelry. Let's dive into this toolbox and unpack some of the essentials. First up, we have pliers. These are the bread and butter of any jewelry maker's toolkit. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes, each designed for a specific task. Round nose pliers, for instance, are perfect for creating loops and curves, while chain nose pliers are great for opening and closing jump rings. Next, we have wire cutters. A good pair of wire cutters is essential for cutting through metal wires with precision and ease. They're the unsung heroes of the toolbox, making our lives a lot easier. Now let's talk about the heart of any piece of jewelry, the beads. From glass to gemstone, from acrylic to metal, the choice of beads can dramatically alter the look and feel of your jewelry. They provide the color, the texture, and the sparkle that bring your designs to life. Then there's the wire. This is the skeleton of your piece, providing structure and support. Just like beads, wires come in a variety of materials and thicknesses, each offering a different level of flexibility and strength. And let's not forget the findings. These are the little parts like clasps, ear wires, and jump rings that hold your jewelry together. They might seem insignificant, but without them, your necklace would just be a string of beads. Lastly, we have the tools for more advanced techniques like soldering irons for metalworking and molds and resin for resin casting. These tools open up a whole new world of possibilities for your designs. With these tools in hand, you're ready to start creating your masterpiece. Now that you have your tools, it's time to learn the techniques that will transform simple materials into stunning jewelry pieces. First up, wire wrapping. This technique is like the ballet of jewelry making. It might look delicate, but it requires strength and precision. Don't worry if your first few attempts leave you with a tangled mess. The trick is to keep your wire taut and twist with a steady hand. Next, we have beadwork. Think of it as a jigsaw puzzle where you're not only the player but also the creator. The key here is patience and attention to detail. A helpful tip is to organize your beads by color or size before you start threading. It can save you a lot of time and prevent any pesky beads from rolling away. Then there's metalworking. This is where the magic really happens, transforming a plain sheet of metal into an intricate piece of jewelry. It's like turning a blank canvas into a masterpiece. The trick here is to start with simple shapes and gradually work your way up to more complex designs. And remember, just like a good stew, metalworking can't be rushed. Lastly, resin casting. This technique is the wild card of jewelry making. It's like baking a cake, but instead of flour and eggs, you're using resin and hardener. The result? A transparent jewel-like piece that can be filled with anything from glitter to tiny flowers. The trick here is to pour the resin slowly to avoid creating bubbles. And there you have it, the 4 main techniques of jewelry making. But remember, these are just the basics. There's a whole world of other techniques out there waiting for you to discover, from enameling to filigree to lost wax casting. So don't be afraid to experiment, try combining different techniques or inventing your own. After all, the best thing about making your own jewelry is that there are no rules. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment and explore different techniques. Creating beautiful jewelry isn't just about the materials or techniques, it's also about the design and color harmony. When we dive into the world of jewelry making, it's crucial to understand the principles of design. These include balance, proportion, contrast, unity, and emphasis. Each of these plays a unique role in how we perceive and appreciate a piece of jewelry. Think of balance as the distribution of visual weight. It could be symmetrical, with elements mirrored on both sides, or asymmetrical, with different elements creating an overall sense of balance. Proportion, on the other hand, refers to the size relationship between the elements. A piece with good proportion feels harmonious and pleasing to the eye. Contrast is about creating visual interest through opposing elements, like pairing a large, bold pendant with delicate, fine chains. Unity brings all elements together in a coherent and harmonious way, while emphasis draws attention to a particular area or element, like a stunning gemstone or intricate beadwork. Now, let's talk color. Oh, the magic of color theory. Did you know that colors can evoke emotions, convey messages, and even influence our decisions? It's true. In jewelry making, understanding color theory can help you create pieces that are not just visually appealing, but also emotionally resonant. The color wheel is a great tool to start with. It's a circle showcasing the relationship between colors. Colors opposite each other are complementary, while those next to each other are analogous. Complementary colors create vibrant contrasts, perfect for statement pieces, while analogous colors result in a harmonious blend, ideal for more subtle designs. The key is to experiment, try different color combinations, play with shades, tints, and tones, see how they work together and what emotions they evoke. Remember, there are no hard and fast rules here, just guiding principles. With a keen eye for design and color, you can create jewelry pieces that are truly a sight to behold. So, go forth, experiment, create, and above all, have fun with it. Your journey into the artful world of jewelry making is just beginning. Safety first. Before we get too carried away with our creativity, let's talk about safety measures and best practices. When making jewelry, always ensure you have proper ventilation, especially when working with substances like resin or when soldering metals. Fumes can be harmful, so let that fresh air flow. Next, don your protective gear. Safety glasses protect your eyes from flying debris, while gloves can guard against sharp edges and high temperatures. And let's not forget that sturdy apron to keep your clothes clean and free from damage. Handling tools safely is crucial too. Always cut away from yourself and keep your fingers clear of the sharp edges. Remember, we're making jewelry, not bandages. Lastly, a clean and organized workspace is not just aesthetically pleasing, it's safer and more efficient. Keep your tools and materials neatly arranged so you can find what you need without hassle. Remember, a safe and organized workspace is the key to a seamless jewelry making process. You're now equipped with the knowledge to start your jewelry making journey. The world of craft is yours to explore, and there's no better time than now to bring your visions to life. Picture this: a necklace of gleaming gemstones, or perhaps a pair of earrings with intricate wire wrapping, all made by your own hands. The satisfaction of creation is incomparable, and the joy of sharing it with others, well, that's just the cherry on top. You may even consider turning this newfound passion into a business venture. Craft fairs, online marketplaces, even your own website are all great avenues to showcase your unique creations and earn from your craft. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're just stepping stones on your path to mastery. If you like content like this and wish for other art lovers and DIY enthusiasts as yourself to see this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos just like this one. Happy crafting!